Want to unlock the power of seamless group management? Then WhatsApp's new community feature is the ultimate tool for staying connected and organized. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel of GetAssist, and in today's video, we're gonna discuss about WhatsApp's new community feature. So if you are the one, yes, if you are the one who is juggling between many WhatsApp groups and finding it very hard to keep track of these records, these groups, then WhatsApp's new community feature, it's all for you to save the day. So when you'll open your WhatsApp, you'll find a group of 3 icons at the bottom in both your Android and iOS devices. Now, when you tap on this community feature, you'll see this interface which states introducing communities, which is useful to organize your related groups and make announcements. You might be aware of this term, how you can send bulk messages in one go. If you want me to make a dedicated video about this feature and how you can do it, then let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely make a video about it. So coming back to the point, you might be wondering how it can arrange your related groups. So let me explain you by giving a small example. So I'll explain you by using example of your class. You might have a class group of your school, college, then your subject groups might be there. Your personal individual friends group can be there. So you can put all these groups of schools and colleges under one community. So I'm taking an example of myself. I'm a YouTube content creator, and about my all videos, I have to share it with my friends, college friends, school friends, my office colleagues. So I can make a community of all these groups under the name of YouTube Share. So that will make my work less hectic and I can share my videos in a one go. I'll give you a live demo how you can create yours, and it will give you a more clear vision. So tap on Start your community option here. Now it's showing its focus features of organizing and reaching to everyone. Tap on Get Started. Now name the community like I'm writing Assist Fam. A description. Let's get started. You can add up a profile pic of your community too. Let's tap on Next now. Here you have two options of adding groups, because we add up groups in community, not the individual. So you can either create a new group here or add up any existing group for you guys. First of all, I'm adding this group here, now creating this one. Now your community is ready. You can add up to 20 groups in a community. So now tap on this tick mark. So here's the interface of your community. You can add individuals to the community announcements and they can join the other groups by sending a request to you. And you can add further more groups in it too. And members can exit the community if you are wondering how. From here, just like your groups, and as an admin, I'm having the option to deactivate it. Now tap on the community announcement. Here you can add up to 2000 participants, where in a group you can add up to 1024 members only. Comes the main thing, how all this works. Just write down any message. Like, I have created this group for my channel promotion work. So I'll paste one of my video link here with the message. You like, share and comment your thoughts and send. Now your message has been sent to the community through the announcement. No one can reply to you here, as only admins can send message from here. And all the message you shared has been delivered to the groups you added to the community individually. See, that's how it works. And from here you can share links, photographs, videos, or any information you want to provide to your community, but individually. And that's all in this video about how WhatsApp community feature actually works. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. If you find this video informative and very creative, you can just share to your friends, and don't forget to make a community first and just share my video link everywhere in your group. And if you have any question, if you have any query related to this topic or any other topic that I've already posted in the future, or you can bring up new topics, I'll definitely make a video about that. So you can leave your comments in the comment box. So till then, keep watching GetAssist. I'll meet you in the next one.